guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Caribbean style boiled corn. To get started, I already washed and prepped my corn, and I'll be using some canned coconut milk. Use fresh coconut milk if you prefer. I have minced garlic, some blended onions, blended bell peppers. I have some thyme, wiri pepper, some scallions. I'll be using some chicken bouillon, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and I have 2 types of butter. I'll be using some golden wrir and regular butter. To a preheated pot, I went in with some oil. Once the oil heats up, you want to go in with your aromatics. We'll add the onions, bell peppers, garlic, and the scallions. Mix well and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you want to add the 2 butters in there. Now I like to use the combination of the 2 because the golden wrir has an amazing taste to it and flavor, and it also gives the dish some color, and that's exactly what you want. You want that natural color in there. So once the butter has melted, you want to go in with the coconut milk. Then we will add the seasoning just to give it a bit more taste and flavor, but don't go too crazy with the seasoning because we will allow this to reduce and thicken, and once it reduces, it will become more pungent and you don't want it to be salty. As you see me adding my thyme and peppers there, we will cover this and allow it to come up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we'll add the corn and allow it to boil for about, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes. In that amount of time, it should thicken up nicely and the sauce should reduce. And yeah, it is so simple but amazing. This will be the talk of the barbecue this summer. You hear me? After about 40 minutes, this is now done. It smells and looks amazing. Look at that corn. As you can see, the sauce has thickened and it is so juicy and delicious. When you serve this, you want to serve it with a little of the sauce on the side. So every bite, you must have that sauce in there. It is gold, liquid gold. Now let me play this up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, Caribbean style boiled corn. You serve this at your cookout or barbecue this summer and it will be the talk of the show. You hear me? This was perfect, packed with flavor and absolutely divine. I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy.